11 ways to rebuild your life after a relationship with a narcissist. Starting anew after a relationship with someone who only thinks about themselves can be tough, but freeing. It's like creating a fresh garden where you discover yourself and set up boundaries to keep the good stuff in. Imagine every little win as confetti for your success, and letting go of things that bother you as cleaning up your feelings. We talk about 11 simple and friendly ways to make your life better, like taking care of yourself and growing stronger. 1. Embrace self-discovery. Rediscover the awesome person you are. Take time to explore your interests and passions that may have been overshadowed. It's like meeting yourself again after a long journey. Find joy in the simple things that make you uniquely you. 2. Establish boundaries. Create a protective bubble around your well-being. Set clear boundaries to guard against toxic influences. Recognize your own needs and communicate them openly. It's like putting on a shield that lets in only the positivity you deserve. 3. Nurture supportive connections. Surround yourself with a garden of supportive friends and family. Cultivate relationships that uplift and understand you. It's like having a strong support system, a safety net of love and understanding. Share your thoughts and feelings like seeds that grow into beautiful connections. 4. Focus on personal growth. Become the architect of your personal growth. Learn new things, pursue your dreams, and evolve into a better version of yourself. It's like tending to a garden of endless possibilities, each bloom representing a step forward in your journey. 5. Practice self-care. Be kind to yourself. You deserve it. Feed your mind, your body, and your soul with things that bring you joy and peace. It's like gifting yourself a bouquet of self-love that blossoms with every caring and compassionate act towards yourself. 6. Cultivate mindfulness. Embrace the beauty of the present moment. Practice mindfulness to anchor yourself in the now. It's like tending to a garden of tranquility where each breath is a gentle breeze that soothes the soul. Let mindfulness be your anchor in the sea of life. 7. Rediscover your passions. Reignite the flames of your passions. Dive into the activities that make your heart sing. It's like rekindling a fire within, where your interests become the sparks that light up your life. Let your passions be the compass guiding you towards joy and fulfillment. 8. Learn the art of letting go. Explore the strength in letting go of what no longer helps you. It's like tidying up your emotional space, making way for positivity to grow. Embrace the freedom that comes with releasing, akin to letting balloons soar into the sky. 9. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. It's like throwing confetti on your achievements, recognizing that progress is a collection of these little victories. Take pride in your journey and how far you've come. 10. Create a vision for your future. Imagine the life you desire and deserve. It's like sketching a beautiful landscape of your dreams. Set goals and aspirations, each stroke bringing you closer to a future filled with happiness and fulfillment. 11. Seek professional support. Don't hesitate to lean on the expertise of therapists or counselors. It's like having a skilled guide on your journey to healing. Professional support provides a map to navigate the twists and turns, making the path to recovery smoother.